Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lagging after iOS 17 update. So guys, if you're using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing the issue that iPhone lagging, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So simply you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi, and guys, make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, click on general, and guys, after this you need to click on software update. And guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is iOS 17.1. So guys, after doing this update, all the problems will be fixed that you are facing on iOS 17. So guys, many of features are not working on iOS 17, therefore they have announced the new version, that is 17.1. So guys, after updating it, all the problems and all the features will be fixed, and guys, your problem will be fixed as well. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.